Good morning, guys. Today is the 1st of July. It's a weekly expiry day, and the market has just opened. It opened a slightly gap up and is now heading down a little. The option premium today is way low. Just to put things in perspective, if you saw my previous expiry day options trading video, you'd see that I took a 300 point strangle. And I took it for 13 rupees if I remember right. Yeah. So today the 300 point strangle is trading at a premium of less than 5. Super low premiums. So I tried to enter a 250 point strangle at rupees 9, but just as I entered the one set of 66 lots and was trying to place the next order for another 66 lots, option premium fell by another 1.5 points. It was already very low, and when it fell by another 1.5 points, at that point I decided the risk reward is just not favorable. And instead of placing the second order, I ended up exiting the trade which I already took. The problem with entering a trade when the premiums are so low is that there's a huge risk of getting killed by gamma moves. One 50-point move on a 1 minute candle will create a huge imbalance between the call leg and the put leg, and the winning leg will not be able to compensate for the points lost in the losing leg. So it is just not worth taking the risk. I'll be looking to take a trade later in the day when the decay will be accelerated. So probably around 12:30 or 1 o'clock, I'd look at entering a trade. If I take trade, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so it is around just past 12 o'clock, and I've entered the 15,600, 15,800 short strangle. I've taken the 200 point short strangle for about 6.5 points, actually slightly more than 6.5 points. And around 3 o'clock, I will try to move close to that at the money strike and try to capture a few more points. So the market has been trading in a very tight range of about 25 points since 10:30 this morning till now. The open interest data is suggesting a possible breakout on the upside. And option premium also has a slight bullish bias today compared to other expiry days in the recent past when there was a clear bearish bias. I'm hoping there won't be too much volatility going forward today. I mean, if I don't have to make too many adjustments going forward, I should be able to capture at least 5 points from this 200 point short strangle. And I'm not taking margin benefits today by buying hedge legs because I don't want to go beyond 9,900 quantity. This is 9,900 is two sets of 66 lots of Nifty. And once I go over that, it'll become much more difficult to manage the trade if there are quick moves. So NSE has a limit of 66 lots per order for Nifty futures and options. So if I need to trade in more than 66 lots, I would need to break it up into multiple orders. Currently, it takes two orders to trade in 9,900 quantity. Um, so during quick spikes and currently at time when premiums are so low, it becomes very difficult to make quick adjustments to the trade, having to place multiple orders simultaneously. If I take the margin benefit, I can increase the quantity from about 10,000 currently to more than 25,000. But then that would require placing five sets of orders each time I have to make adjustments when there's a imbalance in premium during quick spikes. Not only would I have to buy back the winning leg and roll it up or down, I might also need to roll the hedges up or down accordingly. Otherwise, there would be a problem with the margin and the orders might get cancelled. So that becomes too much work, and it also opens up scope for making execution errors. Hence, I'm restricting the quantity to 9,900 today. Uh, on days when the risk reward is more favorable, it makes sense to increase the quantity. But on days like this, when the premium is so low and the risk reward is just not too attractive, I don't want to increase the lot size beyond this. So this is the trade currently. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Okay, I just wanted to quickly update that I exited the trade when at around 12:40 when there was a huge spike in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty spiked from 34,699 to all the way till 34,830. That was about 130 points in under a minute. So that spike led to about a 20 point spike in Nifty as well. So at that point, it didn't make sense because if there's a further shift up move, then the premiums would the call side premiums would increase rapidly. So it didn't make sense from a risk reward perspective. So I exited the trade. So I'd try to re-enter the trade around 245, 230, 245, and I'll update you once I enter the trade. Okay, the time is just past 3 p.m. And this is the part of the expiry day that I like the most. This period can be pretty intense. Around 3 o'clock, either they can be a big move in either direction, and the premiums can double or triple in a matter of minutes, sometimes even seconds. And on the other hand, if there are no big moves, the premiums just melt like butter on a hot stove. So I've sold the 15650 and 15700 call. And I didn't want to concentrate all the risk over there. So for the rest of my portion sizing, I sold 15600 put option and 15750 call option. At Position is perfectly centered currently. This position becomes delta neutral at 15,675, which is the level at which market is trading at currently. So all these options should pretty much expire worthless. I will square off a couple of these strikes and convert the rest from MIS to normal and let them expire worthless. I squared off the 15,650 put option and 15,700 call option, and I canceled all the stop loss orders and converted the rest of the positions from MIS to normal. So pretty much done for the day. I managed to make slightly more than 40,000 for today. On expiry days, generally I target 10 points, but could not reach the target today. But that's fine, considering low premiums to start with today and the fact that I wanted to keep the trade totally risk-free. And it's nice to start the month on a profitable note. I hope you guys had a good expiry too. Let me know how your trades went in the comment section. And if you like the content, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next expiry where hopefully we'll have slightly better premiums. Thank you. Bye bye.